very squatter area is like is a slump area. That is what we call slump, maybe. Oh yeah, we stay at that area, and then the house is very near. It's not far from, it's not a subdivision type like that. So it's hard. And then it's very hot because of the roof of people. Like if you have two-story, and then the roof is very hot, the evaporation ba yun? It's very hot, so it's not nice. So in the province, it's nice. Then province and the city. In the city, you will buy everything. But in the province, you still buy everything. You need to travel to city to get the things that you want. So like that. So complicated. Both are complicated. So our topic today is about what if your ex wants to come back. Ayan na, ex na tayo mga ex. So mag-ano tayo what if your ex hello kiss, this is our topic, kiss. What if your ex wants to come back? What are you going to do? So this is the age-old question. Like, if your ex wants to come back to you, will you still accept your ex? Okay. If the ex wants to come back, say no. It's essential to take a step back and assess the situation before making any decision. Alma, what the crap is want your ex back? No. For me, for anything, I will say, I will. No, of course, kiss. No, it's an ex. Ex is past. You cannot go back to the past. You only need to be thinking of now. Even the future, you cannot, right? So, number one, reflect on the past. Oh, so you have to think of the past. Sometimes there are, relationship ends up, it's because you are the reason, not the other person is the reason, right? So reflect on the past, think about the reasons you broke up in the first place. Why? What's the reason? Have those issues been resolved? From X out. Yes. What's stupid is that very stupid, you're not second best. Right. Number two, evaluate their intentions. Why is he coming back? This person has the intentions. Are they genuinely interested in rebuilding the relationship, or is just a fleeting desire? You must be wise na. Don't be especially if the person is so attached, no? So in love, babalik yan, of course. But things that you have to think, reflect on the past, evaluate their intentions. 3, consider your feelings. So have to consider your feelings. Okay, let's read number 3. How do you feel about them now? Still unforgivable, or forgive already but cannot forget, mga ganyan. How do you feel about them now? Have your feelings changed? Of course, if it takes many years already, it's changed. Number 4, assess personal growth. Have you ever, Have you ever